To create a test case for digital inputs, select and drag the set command onto the workspace and add an item to it. Right-click on the item and press Properties option. Give the title as try tag and the parameter value as false to trip the corresponding outputs. Add a delay with time interval of 3 seconds. Now you can duplicate the test commands with the Ctrl plus drag or by copy and pasting. Set the digital input back to normal or true. Call reset test case at the end of the test script. Select the entire test case and press the left align option to align it properly. Next, we will create a test script for an analog input, high trip. Select and drag the set tag value command and add an item to it, as we did before. In the Properties section, enter the field name as parameter, which holds the value for the corresponding tag in the try tag section. Add a delay of 3 seconds. Now we want to set the trip value back to normal by specifying the normal field name as parameter, which holds the healthy value in the database. You can also add a description of each command. Now call the reset test case at the end of the script. In the Client I/O section, you can see the tags against the database fields. Here we have the set point set at 70 and the corresponding trip value is highlighted. Shown here is a completed test script for 2 out of 3 voted tags for a high and a high typical. The first part shows the script to set the high trip values for 2 analog input tags, and the second part shows the script to set the high trip values for 2 analog input tags. In the database, we can see the trip fields for the high and the high values populated. Here we have 80 and 90 as the set points. Output tags are added to the monitor, followed by reset script and the test results of the DI AI scripts along with their tags. Select Build option to build the test case. In the test command window, press Build again, load the SI emulator and press play. We can see the test evaluation in the test command window. Input tags are initialized. Output tags are added to the monitor, followed by the reset script, and the test results are then generated along with their tags.